Okay, so for the last part of this discussion, it asks us to choose a theory that would be best for us and how we see ourselves applying it. In this last part of the question, I really had to think about it for a second because I don't necessarily just see myself applying one specific theory with every population that I were to work with. So the way that I saw it was I hope to work with teens. That is my preferred population to be around. I think even kids, children, I've worked with kids for a very long time and I definitely see myself working with them, but it's very different working with teens than it is working with kids. So I guess to answer the question, if I were going to be working with kids, and let's say anywhere from like preschool to 12 years of age, I would definitely implement play therapy. And I would use play therapy because of the modality in itself and how it allows kids to come in and unconsciously play in a naturalistic type of setting, and the kids are allowed to express themselves and all of the inner struggles that the kids are dealing with will come out naturally through play. And I really like that because if you ever worked with kids, making them do stuff or trying to get them to do things and it be aversive to them can cause a whole lot of problems as far as behaviors go, and you will definitely not get the kid to do anything that you obviously want them to do. So I really like the fact that play therapy allows the child to do what they like and it just comes out naturally, and they are in control of the whole session, and they have the autonomy to take back if they don't want to at any point. And I really like that because I feel like when you're being forced to do something or something in general comes off as being aversive, you're not going to want to do it. Working with teens, I would definitely want to use CBT, and I think that's important because obviously within CBT you have to make sure that your clients are cognitively aware. And if you do have a teenager who is cognitively aware, you can really teach teens, especially nowadays, who are probably dealing with more anxiety than what they've ever dealt with, how to implement these different techniques to control the mind or help decrease your anxiety, help decrease your depression. Mindfulness in its own is another theory that just teaches like a form or a way to decrease anxiety. And I think these are both powerful modalities, two different theories that would be beneficial and that I could definitely see myself utilizing. Sorry about him, by the way.